he cares for.
I miss.
They're so good.
What's up, bitches? Say hello.
Capers. Hashtag capers.
Hashtag capers. So,
We have a whole conversation, and the only thing she's gonna say the whole time is capers, like she has some weird ass.
okay,
Tourette's.
so, if you follow me on Instagram, you know I scratch my cornea. That's why I look like this. So you're gonna see this part of me, and that's fucking it. And we're gonna open some fucking PO box packages
Capers.
and eat capers. Hand me some shit, Cassidy.
Capers. Oh!
No,
shit.
not capers. The packages. You're right by them. I'll eat one caper.
Oh, it's delicious.
Yeah, that's so good.
It's written.
Wait,
in
that
Chinese.
means you don't like pickle bologna either?
No, I don't like the pickle bologna.
I'm real sick of it.
Alright, we're gonna open some
It's
fucking
crispy,
shit.
my friend.
Rude!
It's your roommate.
Oh, Liz, I can open this. Okay, what is this? Just so you guys know, if you don't give me
Caught it.
like a note or anything, I don't know who this is from. So this one, I don't know who this is from. Let's see what it is though. What the hell is this? Is this a
Oh!
Oh, that's
Is it
cute!
a pillowcase?
Human haters. Yeah! Oh my god, this is so cute. Thank you, whoever you are that sent this to me from possibly Wish. I don't know.
Human
It's
haters.
cute, right?
Look at the little unicorn cat.
I know, it's so cute.
Thanks, bitch.
All right. That's adorable. We love it. Liz, you want to hand me another package?
I like your Vanna White.
Yes, this is Vanna White. Okay. What the fuck? Okay. Okay. Alright, what's in here? Do I have a note to tell me who this is from? Fucking no, you guys. If you don't send me a note, I don't know who it's from. I have no idea who this is from.
Amazon.
But, holy shit, that's so cute. Oh, I like this so much.
That's like the video of your eye.
Ooh,
but-
I like that
I
one.
know. We like this. This is real cute. It's a little big for me, but that's
If
okay.
you're gonna wash it, it's gonna fit.
Oh my god, this is cute. Whoever sent this to me, thanks. Leave me
If
notes
Jake wanna
in your
give me a nice
Amazon
video.
packages.
No.
Okay, or I don't know who it's from. All right, moving on. Also Amazon?
Also
Just says
Amazon.
Amazon?
Amazon loves you.
All right. Just Amazon. What is this? Ooh. It's a book. Doodles in outer space. Oh my
Coloring
god. Yeah, it's a coloring book. How cute. Oh, that's so cute. Look at that.
It's like Where's Waldo?
Yeah, this is awesome. Thank you, whoever sent this to me. Also, no note. But thank you guys so much. I'm going to take out all my frustrations on this coloring book. That's the shit. I love it. Thanks. Tell them. Yay. How am I going to open this one?
You want me to find a knife?
Oh my god, I can't open this. It's like glued together. Can you open it? You're just going to have to deal with this angle because the lights hurt my eyeballs. So. And
Ah,
also,
broke
this
it.
is my
No, I'm just kidding.
kitchen. So. Alright, what's in here? Oh, wait, a note! Isn't it
Sort
really
of.
a note? No.
Oh, that looks cool though.
Oh, yeah, another outer space coloring book. This is the shit. There's no note. I have no idea. Oh, wait, yeah, there is. Hey, girl, how you doing?
Oh, you
I
gotta
saw
say it
this
right.
And I thought, oh, I love Audrey Landry. Thanks,
You
boo.
gotta say it right though.
You can read this out loud. Okay. Appreciate you, girl. Oh, coloring always helps me.
I say, hey, girl.
Hey, girl, how you doing?
There you go.
Thanks, boo. I love these. So I guess that's who both these are from. Look how cute that is. Look at it, Liz. Look at it. Look at it.
He's picking up a cat.
Oh, he's getting a kitty.
Don't give them any ideas.
I love it. Thanks, Audrey. You're the shit. We appreciate you up in here.
He wants to give you ideas.
Oh, yeah? All right, Liz is trying to open my next pack. My final
He's
package.
trying to.
She's doing a great job.
There
Not
you go.
trying to. Squeeze me. This is only a 4-minute video. We gotta have 6 minutes more content, just so we're all clear. What is that?
If it's a onesie, I want it.
Oh,
If it's a
what
onesie,
is
I
it?
want
It's
it.
not a
cool
onesie.
thing? Okay. Everyone's oh, there's a note. What does it say? Nothing. Does that
This
say
one does.
something? Hope it fits and puts a smile on your face. You deserve all the happiness in the world. P.S. There's supposed to be a shirt, pillow, alien bag in here. Don't know if it'll all ship together. I don't know who this is from, but thank you so much.
Those are the other two things. The shirt,
Oh, wait, the shirt.
the pillow, and then that would be the bag.
Oh, yeah. I don't know who it's from, though. You didn't put your name. Put your name, but thank you so... Oh, my God, it's a purse. Ah! Oh, my God, I love it so much. Look how cute. It's a backpack. This is a backpack.
It is a backpack.
This is a
It's
backpack.
pretty dope.
You guys are the shit. Thank you so much, whoever sent this to me. I only wear backpacks. I love this so much.
I like it shiny.
God, I love it. Thank you. I'm gonna go put all my stuff in there. Oh my God, my purse is right here. I can do that right now. Put all my. I can't get this stuff off though.
Got you. I got you.
You guys are the shit. I know this is a really bad angle. Look at my crazy eye. Look at it. Look at it. Isn't that gross? Oh, I don't know. I put a bunch of drops in it, so it may look normal, but like, it's real gross.
And show them.
So,
It's okay.
oh my God, thank you so much for my backpack. I'm so excited. I love it so much.
I'm gonna make it bigger.
I was having a really hard time not opening these things without filming it, but also I was like, oh, I shouldn't really film because I look kind of like shit and like my eyes all fucked up and I look real gross. But I couldn't help myself, and these coloring books are the best, and the pillowcase and the fucking shirt are the fucking shit, and I love it. Oh my God, my backpack. Look how cute.
Dun, dun, dun.
God, this arm hurts so bad. So they put an IV in my arm. Look at it.
For your eye.
For my eye, for no reason. And they stabbed me like 400 times. It really hurts, but it's fine. How cute. Do we love that?
Love it.
That's perfect.
We love it.
That's
Oh my
perfect.
God. That's so cute. This is my backpack that I currently carry. I'm sure you guys have seen my unicorn backpack, but I'm going to change it to my alien backpack. Thank you so much, whoever you are, because you didn't leave me your name, and I love it so much. Everyone say bye. Let's say bye to the video. Say bye. Bye.
See you guys.
Bye, guys. Thank you so much. And if you're not following me on all my other social media accounts, you can follow me on Instagram at GrungeXGlitterX. You can follow me on Snapchat and Twitter at GrungeXGlitter. And you can follow me on Facebook at GrungeandGlitter-KP. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye, guys.